IKEA in Draper, Utah. I'm with my friends from work. They are sporting their Love and Life's Journey gear, and we are having a girls shopping weekend. We're going to go to first IKEA and then Home Goods, and we're just having fun together. So let's go shop. So this is what you see when you first walk into IKEA, and if you've never been there, it's a little strange, but you pick up a yellow shopping bag and head up the escalator, and there are so many different showrooms that you can explore. All of the items that are out have tags on them. You can open drawers, look inside things, and it's just a lot of fun to see how they put things together. And so I'll show you a little bit more of that, and you can see just some of the cool things that they have. In this patio room, they had these galvanized shelving units. I really liked the looks of them, and they were only $14.99 each. I ended up not buying some, and now I kind of regret it. So even in the kitchen rooms, you can look in all the drawers, and they have other items that are for sale in there. And I love these cabinets, which you can also buy, that have this hidden drawer that is lighted. I think that is such a cool feature. So this area shows an entire apartment. It's like 550 square feet, and it shows how you can furnish the whole thing. So you go in through like the patio, and here's the kitchen, and the whole bathroom is also the shower, and there's just a lot of storage. You have a desk, a TV, the bed, lots of storage under the bed and above the bed, and so it's just really cool how they show that. Also at IKEA, they have like a cafe or a cafeteria where you can eat, and it is a line that you go through just like a cafeteria, but you can choose what you want to eat, and the prices are really reasonable. They have all kinds of main dishes and desserts. Of course, they have their famous Swedish meatballs. You can see here a plate of Swedish meatballs, $5.99 with potatoes, a vegetable, and their famous lingonberry sauce that goes with it. And so great place to get lunch while you're shopping. And then it's time to head downstairs into the marketplace. So now we're going into my favorite part of the store. It's the marketplace where actually all the items are, and there's just so much to look at and find. So let's go take a look. So in the marketplace, there are just bins and shelves of items, and it's just all of the things that you may or may not have seen when you were up in the showrooms, but there's all kinds of things to see and find. Look at this strainer. It's only $9.99. I love the enamel finish. found these really cute galvanized watering cans. They're just $5.99, and these would be really cute for decorating with. Put some flowers in. You could even add some words to the outside of it and make it just a really cute decor piece. So I'm going to pick one of these up. After IKEA and some lunch, we headed over to Home Goods. Look at all these fun pumpkins for fall. I really like this large fall throw pillow, but it is a little spendy at $20, a little more than I would normally spend. This Home Goods store had a ton of Rae Dunn items. There were all kinds of fun, mixing bowls and serving bowls and plates, even ones for Halloween specifically, and just a huge variety of Rae Dunn. So after a full day of shopping, we skipped dinner and we treated ourselves to dessert at this last course dessert studio. And oh my goodness, it was so good. So here's what the car looked like after we were done shopping, and let me show you what I got. This time I picked up a cart that I had been eyeing the last couple of trips that we went on. And whenever you get a bigger item at IKEA, it always comes in a box and you have to assemble it. So you want to keep that in mind. So I'm going to assemble my 3-tiered cart, and it is not really a huge item, but it is still one of the things that has to be assembled. So I am just going to take everything out of the box and see what we've got, see how hard it is. I have assembled IKEA things before, and they haven't been too difficult. I just follow the instructions, and it really is not too hard. And so let's see if I can get this thing together. So it took me about 20 minutes to put this together. It would have taken only about 15, except I put one of the pieces on upside down, and that kind of threw me off, but I got it together. I'm really excited to use this in my craft room. I also picked up some of these food storage containers. I really like this size, and they're hard plastic with a flip top, and they just are a perfect size for some of the dry ingredients that I use in cooking and baking. And yes, I did pick up one of those galvanized watering cans for $5.99. It's big, it's a great size, and I think a great deal for $5.99. So I'm going to do some sort of project with this. I also picked up this set of 3 nesting baskets, and I like this a lot. I actually am thinking of giving this as a gift to someone, and so I just really liked the looks of it, and I thought it was something that she would like. So I picked this up. There's 3 baskets in different sizes, and this would be great like in a bathroom to put some little items in, or even a bedroom. But wherever, it would even be nice decor in a living room. So it's very versatile. These were very interesting, and they were only $3.99, and so I decided to give them a try. They are silicone lids, I guess you'd call them, but you can stretch it over the top of a jar or a bowl. You can even put it over the top of cut fruits and vegetables to keep them fresh. And I have tried these since I got them home, and they work really great. This is something I'm sure you've seen in my videos. I didn't pick it up on this trip, but I wanted to show it to you because it's probably my favorite IKEA thing ever. And I do have my own DIY version of this that I will link in the description box below and also in the card above. And probably my second favorite thing are these picture shelves. They come in different lengths. I bought 3 of the shorter ones and put them all together to make the exact size that I wanted for our family room. I just love how you can change the pictures around really easily without having to put more holes in the wall. And then, because I didn't really buy that much at IKEA this time, I did splurge on that fall pillow at Home Goods, and I'm really glad I did. Well, I hope you liked coming along with my friends and I on our annual shopping trip. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you like DIY projects and DIYs on a budget, because there'll be lots more of those videos to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.